combination. From chemistry. The first law is law of conservation of mass. First law says that matter neither be created nor be destroyed. Then law of different. The second law is law of different proportion. They said that compound always contain exactly the same proportion of element by weight. Then the third law is law of multiple proportion. This law said that the two or more than elements can combine to form more than two compounds, that the mass of element that the compound with fixed mass of the other element are in the ratio of whole number. And the fourth law is Gay-Lussac law. This said that equal volumes of all gases contain number of molecules. And the last law is Avogadro law. This law said that pressure is directly proportional to the temperature, and this volume is constant. Now I start Dalton atomic theory. The fourth theory in this topic. First, matter consists of individual particles. Second is all atoms of a given element have identical property of mass. And third is compound are formed when atoms of different element compound in fixed ratio. And the last is atoms neither be created nor be destroyed. Thank you.